Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Explore with Fahim. I hope you are fine to the point 99. So in this OBS series, I have released two videos earlier. One was about the Bluetooth malfunctioning when you are recording the screen through Bluetooth device, and I have explained it how to resolve it. Second video was about how to bring your picture on the screen. This is the third video in the series, which is about hotkeys. As you must be knowing what are the hotkeys. Hotkeys means without searching into the settings, for example, if I have to record the screen, how should I record the screen immediately without pressing any buttons? So in OBS Studio, there is a very good feature, great feature, and if you have to locate the hotkeys immediately without pressing any of the buttons on the screen of the OBS, we can allocate the keys by single alphabets. For example, if I have to do recording, I can just allocate alphabet R for recording. If I have to stop that recording, I can allocate alphabet S for that. So this is how I can allocate the keys, which are known as the hotkeys for OBS Studio. So let's get started. So to allocate the hotkeys, first of all, I'll have to click here, settings. When I click on the settings, as you can see the user interface left side, you can see general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys. So when I'll click on the hotkeys, as you can see, I have already allocated start recording. R I have allocated. If you want, you can allocate different alphabets. For stop recording, I have allocated S. Pausing the recording, I have allocated P, and unpausing U. So while I am doing recording and I find that I have to now stop the recording, I can simply press S on my keyboard and then my recording will be completely stopped. In case I have to pause it, I can press P, and then I will simply press on OK, and this is how I have saved my hotkeys, guys. So I hope that you found it easy and you can use it in your OBS Studio. This is how we can allocate OBS hotkeys. So thank you very much for watching that video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Please share the video and like the video. Thank you very much once again. Take care. Bye bye and see you soon. So just by using the hotkey, I'll terminate the video, and I'm pressing alphabet S, which I allocated to stop the video. C.